Question number 11. The first idea I had with this question is, I would do 10% of 240 and make it 24, and then realize to get from 10% to 5%, I do what?
Divide by 2.
Divide by 2 and get 12. Now, that could be a little above what everybody wants to try to comprehend and study for a test. So if that's a little too hard, getting an answer of 10% divided by 2 is 5%, getting 12, let's roll with it a different way. I could do 5% is 5 over 100, reduces to 1/20th, and then of 240 means 240's on bottom. That goes in there 12 times. It'd take you a little bit more work to get 12 out of that, but you're still going to get a 12 for it. It still gives you my answer of 12. Question number 12. 30% means 3 over 10. That's right on that fraction sheet, that big box. Find that sheet tonight and make sure it's ready for your test tomorrow. And then I have of 1500. Now, mental math, it says mentally. I look and I say, what do I multiply 10 by to make it 1,500? What do I multiply 10 by to make it 1,500?
150.
Perfect. 3 times 150. Anybody in here know 3 times 150? Kind of a bigger one, yeah.
450.
450. Now, it says compute mentally. What we want you to strive to do is to solve it mentally. If you got to set it up, that's great. Try to do it without showing your work. Okay, here's the deal. If you have to double check it by showing some work off to the side, or double checking your answer with the calculator on, yes, do that. Next one, 25%. You should memorize 1/4 of 20. This is the fastest one. 4 times 5, 20. 1 times 5, 5. Answers 5. I'm going to draw a long line here tomorrow that says these are estimating questions that want us to use compatible numbers. Compatible numbers are numbers that are close to being what they are and they work. So that means I don't have to use my official rounding rules. I want you to use 33%, 1/3. 209. What's really close to 209 is going to be slick with a 3. Yeah. 210. Now, here's your mental idea that you want to remember. 3 times 7 is 21. So 3 times 70 is 21. 1 times 70 is 70. So you're getting a couple free answers right now. Estimate the percent for 9 out of 35. 9 out of 35. I said keep your 9. Don't mess with the 9. Make this number down here a multiple of 9. What's a multiple of 9 that's really close to 35? Yeah?
36.
36. 9 divided by 9 is 1. 36 divided by 9 is 4. 1/4. You should memorize 1/4 is 25. Don't forget, percent.